Everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to add games or applications to the home screen right here. So you can see I have Alan Wake. So when you start downloading a game, it's automatically going to be added to the top of the home screen right next to where it says what's new. And as you add more and more games to the front of the home screen, your games are going to slowly rotate back into where it says the library right here. But there is a way to keep your games on the home screen by adding them into folders like this FPS folder I created. So we can just press options at any point and then we can go to add to folder. So if we see a game that we want to add to the folder, let's go to Battlefield 4, go to add to folder, and we can create a new folder at the top, or we can add it to an existing folder. So I have this FPS folder I'm going to add Battlefield 4 to, and then I can sort it left and right in here with Call of Duty Warzone, and I can press OK, and it's under this specific folder now. And I created a folder specifically for my applications. So you can see the capture gallery, the internet browser, media player, etc. and share factories in there. So this is always going to remain on my home screen now. Now, if you want to see more items on your home screen, we can go up to settings right here and select this. And then we can go on down to where it says system. Then scroll on down under here and go to limit content items on the home screen. And make sure this is on checkmark. If you are experiencing performance issues on your home screen, you could try uncheckmarking this just because we have more icons on the home screen right now. Then also I'd say get a static background where it's not moving. So I just have an image, and this speeds up the UI and the menus. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.